The wintry wind through Hogsmead. The wintry brisk wind twisted through Hogsmead's lanes. Like a silvered breath on window panes, it curled around chimneys low and steep, where ember candles dared to keep. It tugged at cloaks with playful spite, and bit through wool and sleeve, yet scattered snow in ghostly flight, like whispering spells the earth believed. It rattled signs that creaked and bowed, it chased the owls from roofs of white, and sang its chorus shrill and loud against the hush of a velvet night. Footprints vanished as it sighed, erased stories, paths and years, while footsteps hurried from its cry to butterbeer and burning hearths. Yet still it danced, the restless thing, a roaming soul of frost and sound, as though to tell of coming spring beneath the frozen sleeping ground. And through it all, like echoes thought, in Hogsmead's hush, so sharp, so clear, the wind remembered battles fought, and carried winter on its spear. I hope you all are having a warm wisdom of a time, and as always, mischief managed.